just do a bit of a.
Welcome back, guys. This is another weekend to our episode for the series Build, Break, and Fix. I'm Karthik, and this is my co-host Zen. If you're new here, we stream every night ourselves coding from 9:30 to 10:30 on weekdays and 9:30 to 11 on weekends. So yesterday we discussed a lot about Jira, which is software development, and we tried learning about fetch as well to communicate our front end with our back end and vice versa. So, what do we have in store today, then?
We have actually. So in the store, first thing is first, a big shout out to StreamYard, who is a sponsor of our videos, and they're a online streaming software. Basically, you can um stream yourself to multiple destinations. For example, YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. And you can also use it to record the videos. So if your viewers aren't being able to make it when you go live, you can always give them the link to your YouTube video that's in recording, and they can go there and see what's happening. All right. So now that that's done, I'll just go on to Jira
Yep.
and just keep track from there.
All right.
I I hope I can remember the username and password, or it will just log me in by itself. Hopefully,
Okay.
it will log me in.
Yeah, it probably should. There we go.
All right, it does actually do that. Cool.
Yeah.
That's brilliant. So we want to go to Jira software because we're not using Confluence, and that's an other beast by itself. So we're not really gonna cover that unless we start to use it as well.
Yeah.
Right, so this is our project. Click on that.
I think you can save the project as well,
Hmm.
rather going like opening it.
Yeah, what I'm gonna do is bookmark this page.
No, no. So I think Jira has a functionality as well, in which like if you open the that page, you'll just open that. But I don't know how to do it. But
Okay,
just
cool.
mark it, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, cool. Anyway, so today's task would be to add a board name in the database. So basically, send the board name from the front end
Okay.
to the API, which is our backend using Fetch API. And the reason we have got this to learn Fetch avatars in progress is because uh, I think we need to go back and forth. I think seeing the concepts until our this task works. So I'll put this
Yeah.
one in progress as well.
Right.
All right, and we can continue from here. I'll just actually I can close that part, and this can come back in my small screen. Perfect. All right, so let's just remove this and go in our code.
Right. Did you push the changes last night?
I don't think I did, but I'll
Right.
just confirm it. That's a good point. That's a good
Mm-hmm.
point you should raise. But first of all, I need to put my Mac on charge.
On service. Yes.
There we go. Cool.
All right.
Um, I'll just check if.
I can go ahead and check that.
Okay, cool. Yeah, if you can, that'd be great. You can
Mhm.
check that. So workspace. This one was that one, and then which one do we need? Scramble enhancement. This was the repo and clear. Pull insert the attribute to anyway. We need this one too. S- So I'll go into client.
Oh, the
Yeah.
last push we made was 6 days ago, so never mind.
Okay. Yeah. Then I didn't really push it.
Yeah,
I
that's fine.
probably forgot.
Yeah, we should do it today.
Yeah. Definitely. Okay, and I'm gonna open this part in VS Code. Cool. So the goal for today, in terms of taking turns in coding, would be
Yeah,
I would go until half 10, and then Carfake, you
yeah,
can start from half 10 to half 11. Yeah,
right.
brilliant. Right. Yes, I want the authors. I trust the authors. Come on. Okay, and I need to screen. I think from tomorrow, what we probably have to know, we probably should be doing is starting 5 minutes early.
That's what I kind of suggested. Like,
Hmm.
come in and
Yeah.
like create the links, and we can start at 9:30.
Yeah. To actual code.
Yeah, yeah, that's what. Like, just open VS Code, and you can like,
Hmm.
um. So yeah, like even if I'm a bit late, you can just go ahead and yourself do it yourself, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. All right. So to be specific, where we were actually stuck on there, I think we were trying to um use what? Where did our
Um,
middleware.js go?
did you not say it?
Please don't tell me that.
One second.
Hang on a minute. Hang on. I'll go back into my list. Ah,
Give me one sec. Wait, wait.
um, to be
One sec.
honest, I must. I'm gonna. Let me just check in my folders. Workspace. Scrumble enhancement. Client. You know what? You must be right. I didn't
Um,
save it.
so what VS Code does is that if you don't save a file, it sends it to the recycle bin. So if you go there,
Ah,
if you didn't clear
right.
it, then it's probably there. There's one another way to recover it, but let's try looking at the bin first.
I.
We search for middleware, I guess. Hey Alexa, how's it going? Sorry, I didn't see that.
Yeah, it's not here either.
One sec. If you go on VS codes app data into roaming, do you know how to go into a roaming system?
No, I wouldn't know that, but I can find Google
Just
and
op-
find out.
just open your like my computer thingy, like all your files, or click on the Apple logo on top left.
Sorry, what was that?
Click on Apple logo on the top is left.
Uh-huh.
Um,
Recent items.
no, no, no. Oh, wait, it's not there. Just open Finder, I guess.
Yeah.
Right. If you can go on. Oh wait, how do? One second. Just give me one sec.
What is going on, geezer? You alright? Welcome. It's been, I think, few days I haven't seen you, man. How you been? Or it might be a different repo instead.
Yeah, you
Let
can
me
try
just
that.
check that.
Yep.
So there's maybe no maybe testing block. I think it was this one. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, even I think it's this one. Just give me 1 sec. I think we
Okay,
can
cool.
recover it.
Yeah.
Mm, because I remember I have done this as well once.
Okay.
Um. Okay.
No, that's not-
There's a extension called unsaved files VS Code. You can go ahead and install
Mhm.
that. Try installing that.
Which one was it?
Unsaved files. That's it.
How do I go to save and save files? Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Don't need you.
What happened?
Copy. It was lagging, so as soon as I
Right.
pressed install, some other extension came up.
That's all good.
Unsaved files. There we go. Easy access to unsaved files for Visual Studio Code. Wow, I learned my lesson today. Okay, so
Hmm.
show unsaved file for command palette. Show unsaved file from status bar. Select. Okay. Right, so we're doing that way. Click and select show previous unsaved.
I just
The,
forgot
first of all, I'll give you the access
to what? To vehicle.
to VS
Um.
Code or
Actually,
not.
do you remember how to open all your data in a Mac? I kind of forgot.
All my data in the Mac.
Yeah, like you know how files are installed, but you can't see it in Finder. But
Ah, uh, you mean the hidden files?
hmm.
Yeah, I can do it from the command, but don't actually know how to do it from there.
Yeah, just open it on Finder, and we can go ahead and recover it.
So which one? Oh, should we do this way first or the finder way?
Let's do the Finder way first. That's way more reliable because this is
Okay.
for like I guess the next instance if that happens.
Cover unsaved files in Mac. I'm just googling at the moment.
No, so there's a particular file location we need to go to, and from
Yeah,
there we.
that's what. To be honest, I don't know where that is, so I'm just
Oh, it's
trying to
it's
find it.
library application where I'll send it to you on private.
Okay.
Just open this
Library
location.
files. All right. Okay. Code backups.
Oops. No, no.
Workspaces.json. Ah, my goodness sake. What did I do? What did I do?
It's fine. We got
So
it.
it's not there either.
Don't
Let
think
me
so.
just try in this way now. Close it and then reopen it. Actually, let me also try recent.
Hmm.
Main. What was this? Ah, right. So it was a different repo, but it was in downloads.
Oh, I didn't get that. Okay,
That's
that's cool.
interesting.
So you're gonna create a different repo, or are you gonna do it?
Well, what I'm gonna do now is I will actually go back and move that repo over there.
Hmm. Good idea.
Downloads is this one. So I would do copy Scrambler to where was this? Um, trying to look for the syntax. Why is my that tilde not working?
What's not
This is
working, sir?
interesting. The tilde sign is working.
Are you using a Windows keyboard?
I Windows plus Mac
Oh,
in one. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just do it that way.
yeah.
Simpler. This one is gonna be enhancement. That one goes from there to
You're
this
gonna get
one.
less coding times, and
Hey?
you're gonna get less coding time.
Yeah, yeah. Ah, come on. 15 minutes already gone. No, this is not good. I wasn't anticipating this. You know what? This is a perfect lesson that we have to commit the code to
Yeah,
get at the end of
exactly.
this session.
Yeah, for sure.
Even we, even if it takes us 5 or 10 minutes extra, I
Hmm.
don't care.
Yeah, yeah.
We need to, because it's all about learning from our mistakes. I mean, not my mistake.
I mean, we kind of did it together. So anyway, um, let's get back to it. You push it, and I'll clone it, I guess,
Yeah, yeah,
when
cool.
I start doing stuff. So
hmm Yeah,
um,
I'll do that.
do
So
the
you
repo.
just, hmm?
Do you want me to go ahead and make the repo and invite you as a collaborator?
It's already there. I think
All right.
I have to invite you as a collaborator. Just bear with me for a moment.
Yeah, for sure.
Scrambler. There we go. Scrambler enhancement. That's the one. So what I need to do is give you access to it.
Yep.
Manage access. My my coding time is going. I wanna code.
You're losing it.
Honestly, I'm not liking this. I wanna code more and do this kind of thing less as possible.
That's true. What we can do
Invite.
is we can probably edit this video as well too when we
Yeah.
start. I mean,
Karthik
this video is a lot.
404, right?
No, 404 Karthik.
Ah, alright. I was close.
Yeah. All right.
Cool, perfect. So we don't need that one, and I'm gonna go back um to back one folder, open my workspace up. It should all be there. Boom, done. Simple enough now, and just code it. Whoa, too
I just have
fast
one
out.
question, Zen. What do I need any particular softwares to run this? Like DynamoDB
Sure.
installed on my computer or something like that?
Hang on a minute. I'm just gonna do this first, and
Uh-huh.
then while VS Code opens, I'll tell you because it would take a bit of time as well. Okay. So in order to run the project itself,
Yeah.
did you say?
Yes.
I think all you would need to do is hang on. I've actually got a blog on this. I'll just give you the link to that,
I mean,
and you
I can see
can.
you were running Python, so that's one.
Oh, so you can probably ignore Python because the simple HTTP server is, I'm guessing, made in Python, which is why it uses a Python command in the first
Okay.
place to get started. And that's just, I'm talking for my common sense now.
Okay. Cool.
Um, yeah, so all you will need is this client folder, okay, and then you cd in the client folder and just run python slash python hyphen m simple http server, and then it will just run. I'll just show it. So say for example you have uh opened the repo now, okay,
Hmm.
so just make sure you're in the client folder, and then
Right.
just run the command for python m something it was. It
Got it.
actually starts the local
Um,
server.
do I need DynamoDB to run it? I don't have DynamoDB on my local.
You wouldn't need DynamoDB locally unless you're testing locally, which we are not at the moment.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool then.
And how do I know that? Because if you see the code, I've
Right.
actually given it the ad address of our API.
Oh, that's easy. Easy. So I
Yeah,
won't need
exactly.
it any time.
No.
It's kind of good for the people who will be because setting up DynamoDB is kind of like a bit tricky to do it in a way that we have done it. So
Yes, yes, and no as well, because if the
okay.
viewers wanna do is set that up, I can just post this link, and they can actually follow the step-by-step instructions
Mm-hmm.
to set the DynamoDB low. Yeah, I think it took me at least 2 days to figure it out, but I've actually
Wow.
documented it, so it should only take you maximum, I would say, an hour.
Okay, that's cool.
So
Nice.
this is the blog, and where
Yeah.
you would want to probably start if you do that. DynamoDB locally here.
Got it.
From here downwards, yeah. So it's pretty simple. I'll um shall I paste this in the comments, or
Yeah, just put in the
if you want
public.
to do it you can. I'll just send it to you because it can be a bit easier as one just focuses on the screen here and one keeps an eye on the chat and comments and everything.
That's true. All right.
All right, cool. So the place where we were stuck at, finally I get to code now. Um, which was we weren't able to call these methods
Um,
into the server
can you
when we
can you
run this.
walk us through what we have done till now, though?
Ah, yeah, yeah. That's a good point. So until now, what we have done is we have actually created this front end, which was already made
Right.
and by one of my team members. So I'll just show you what it was about. This work? No, won't work.
Right. That.
8,000.
Yeah. That's what I need.
8,000 is a poll, and then home door HTML is our home page.
Right.
So basically, this is the UI for our app. It does need some alternations, but we're not focusing on the UI stuff at the moment.
Yeah.
So what we plan to do is as soon as a user uh, in type some text here, when we press the button go, it should contact our API, and then the API should take the board name, which is this one, and
Mm-hmm.
then insert it in DynamoDB.
Okay. Right.
Like, yeah, cool. So at the moment, what's happening there? This function go, which is being called when we press this go button here,
Yep.
is simply uh, getting the value of the import element name, which is this one,
Mm-hmm.
and then simply if it's got some spaces or something like that, it's automatically
Right.
removing the spaces. From what I believe the escape method does, completely in which can be replaced by, yeah, cool. And then we are just um opening this index.html, which
Yep.
is this one here. If I
Right.
show you this page here, and just passing that board name into the URL here.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. So that's basically what's happening at the moment so far. What we need to do to continue is insert this name to our uh, DynamoDB in short.
Right. Just to clarify a bit, I just googled what escape does. I don't think it removes the spaces. It kind of converts the thing to ASCII. Um.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
That must have been my fault.
Yeah.
I should have paid attention to exactly what the explanation is rather than
Yeah. Yeah.
assuming it.
I just wanted to give the user, like our viewers, the right.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
so it was just
exactly.
encode
That,
script, right? So
yeah,
um,
that's a good thing. Cool.
let's move forward.
So what we did yesterday was we went through a fetch API, as in how to do a post method,
Yeah.
and this is what we got. So first of all, we are doing the data here as an
Right.
object
Yeah.
and giving the board ID whatever for just some for the sake of testing only. And then we are getting the board name from the local storage, which would be in the body. I would think. I'm not entirely sure if this is correct because it's my first time doing it as well.
Hmm.
So we will find out by trial and error.
Um,
And
I'm just kind of wondering why do we have a body for our posting the board name for now with our current design for our database?
I would say because we are getting the board name from the local storage, but
But our database won't support it for now,
b-
having a body in general.
because we are posting a board at the moment. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. Because only the notes are actually taking the body, not
Yeah.
the board itself. Right, right. Correct,
So
correct.
let's kind of comment it out for now, I guess. But we will need this for sure.
Yeah, yeah. All right. That's a good big coffee. Well done. So body, we don't need this either then. No,
Yeah.
we need this
With the
because we are setting the data here, stringifying it, and then sending in the body.
right.
No,
Okay.
no, no. I'm just a bit confused here now.
Yeah. I want to know where is the response variable being formed?
To be honest, I would say from experience that when this request becomes either successful, denied, or whatever, that it would actually give us some kind of a response,
Yeah. Yeah.
and that response is actually captured in this object.
Right. Okay. Got it. Um, so we don't have to form response ourselves.
I wouldn't think so. We would, cause that's. I think it's. Hang on. So when you say form the response ourselves, what do you mean?
So I worked with APIs in Python, and in the response variable, um, you kind of assign a JSON, the JSON thing which you have to send, and then you kind of promise it. But I'm not sure how this works in JS.
Page API post. We'll just take a bit of help from Google in this case,
Yeah.
cause I wouldn't be sure either about fetch API, and you must be right. I'm working with fetch API for the first time.
I'm
So
just from a Python perspective, I guess. So
yeah.
depends on how JS works. But I could see that on the developer.mozilla um, blog, people haven't actually constructed response.
Using fetch web APIs.
Okay, this might help. I'm pasting a link in the chat. Um, oh, wait, do you want me to send it to you on Tiny URL?
If you can, because I can't really click on that. As in, I
Can you
can't
copy it?
copy and paste. I can't copy and paste it.
Oh, okay.
Correct QR code for this page. No, put paste source. No. Reload. No. Can't. Web API response. Okay, so fetch API post sample. Insert.
There you go.
JavaScript. Actually, hang on a minute. Here they've actually showed us how to use it.
Hmm.
Fetch is that one, so we are posting it, and then we're sending the body, and then we're returning it. Yeah, so this should be alright because
Yeah.
he has done it in a pure vanilla JavaScript, which is the JavaScript classic, and here we're just using the arrow function.
Right. Okay.
So this shouldn't really be a problem, but I'll check your URL as well.
Um. So you don't really have to put the body. Um. Because for our post method, we don't have a body in the sense that you know how get methods work. You can't have a
Yeah.
body.
Mm-hmm.
So I am looking at a get method. You can just have method headers and your cores, permission or cache. But like,
Ah, right,
yeah.
right, I see.
So I'm just looking at our database design point of view that, but then again, we need to send the board ID as well. How did we generate the board ID last time when we were, um,
Using a unique identifier, wh-
oh,
which is
you
a
did, yeah.
GUID.
So if that's still there, then without a body, it should work as well, and it should probably give.
Yeah, but my question would be that
Yeah. So when we change our database design to have a name of the board, then we'll have a body to push.
I know where you're coming from, and I agree with you t- totally. But my
Mhm.
question would be that say we don't use a body, so where do we call this data object? As in, we need to use that data object somewhere.
We
I'm
don't really need to use it because so our when we post to our body just needs one thing, which is the board ID, and it's automatically generating it using the DynamoDB API which we have. So you don't have to use the data thing because when you're going to use get functions, you're not going to use it. So we can go ahead and give it a try.
okay. So you're saying we don't. You're saying that we can just try this code now and see if it works.
Yeah, because like
Okay.
in the sense that body has two things. It has board ID and board name. Board name is not implemented right now, and board ID it's been automatically assigned.
Yes, it's been automatically assigned. That means that we just have to send a request. That's all.
Yes. Yeah, pretty
Not
much.
necessarily with any data for now, at least.
Yeah, so we just want a post request on that link. That's all we need. But
Right, right, right.
so
I
in the
see.
fetch method, you have specified that it's a post request and you have specified the URL as well.
Mm-hmm. So this should technically work, but
If
let's
it's
check.
coming inside the function,
If,
then
yeah,
yes.
yeah, of course. So I'll open up home.html, open up my console. Come on, Mr. Console. Here we Where did my no, I'm
Inspect element.
going one step ahead of myself. Yeah. All right. Cool. So let's do that. I need to maximize it a bit. Test.
Yeah.
Let's do the test one. Click on console and see what happens. Go.
Still not coming in.
No, apparently not.
Can you
Um,
show me where you linked the file?
Scrambler, scripts, middleware JS, JavaScript. Are you
Oh,
sure it
okay.
should be text slash JavaScript?
No, no, no. Can you do a Control F?
Uh-huh.
And no, no, no. Just yeah, just write JavaScript here. There's one more instance. Can you look for the third one? Oh wait, yeah. So it's text slash JavaScript only. Um, Interesting.
Middleware head, middleware JS.
Wait, J is
Isn't the
capital. Wait. Zen.
is J
Um, I'm not sure.
capital?
Wait,
No, it's not capital.
how to link. I'm googling how to link a J. Lord, it has
JS
come
to
to this.
HTML. I'm gonna do that really quickly as well. Source attribute.
Hmm.
Ah, so we don't really need the type apparently.
Really? Are you sure?
It says it here.
Oh, okay. Right. That's cool. Wait. Zen. Can we do one more thing? Wait.
Yep. Hmm.
Can you show me the code?
Do you have access
No, I
to
don't,
it?
but it's fine, I guess, for now.
I actually sent you the URL already. I don't know if you clicked on it.
I didn't get it.
Really?
Yeah. It
Alright,
wasn't
I'll
private, right?
send it to you again. Don't worry
Right.
about it.
Yeah.
JavaScript text. Oh, hang on.
Yeah.
I think isn't this? No. That's fine. Just return post
Can you
port
go,
name.
go on the index file and see how they have done it in the index file? Just linking JavaScript.
Here we
Just search.
go.
Ooh,
So
right.
no one has
That's don't need it.
given the type.
Yeah, we probably don't need it. But oh yeah, that's fine. You have linked middleware here as well. That's fine. Right. Yeah, that was my bad. We don't need it.
To be honest, it's good that we're making these kind of mistakes.
Yeah.
It's really good for our learnings.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, let's try again and see if this makes any difference.
All right.
Not really.
Hmm.
Right.
Mm.
Oh, no, come on, mate. Come on, Zane. What are you doing?
Oh wow. Okay. Never mind.
What am I doing? Seriously. There we go.
Hmm. Sorry about that. I'll go ahead and mute my phone. All right.
Test one. Come on, come on, come on. Show me some loving. No?
No love tonight.
Ah, no love tonight, apparently. Middleweight JS. That's fine. So it
Um,
should.
can we?
What?
Yeah. Good.
Go on.
I'm just saying, like, let's just write it inside home.html for now.
Okay.
Yeah. I have a feeling there's some problem in linking on the file, or there's some problem in calling the function. Either one of these. But
Middleweight.js. Give me 5 more minutes. I really want to find this thing out. Um, call to functions on click HTML.
I'm just gonna turn on my heater. One sec.
Cool. On click return. Why are we using return for?
Did you get something?
Um, we're using return on the home thing here. I'm gonna try and do this because in that one he's only using the semicolons apparently.
Mm, wait, we're not using return, right?
How do I
Yeah.
call second?
I don't know why it.
I was looking at the second. I don't believe the last one is required, but hey, might as well add for good measure. Add semicolons to the end of the function calls in order to call them both to work. Okay, so we do have to add semicolons, but
Yeah.
not the return one.
Yeah,
Come
I don't
on,
know if
go.
return was required.
Well,
That
why
could
is this
probably
showing up?
have been. Oh, it's just lagging. We put the semicolon, right? It'll work for sure
Come
now.
on. Huh?
It'll work for sure.
Hope so, man. Test 2.
I did see go there.
Yeah, but we weren't looking for go. We were looking for the text,
No,
which
I
was
I did see go printed there, but I think it was printed on the first page.
right. Go printed. Why do we? Hang on a minute. Where were we? Okay, so it's only calling the first one then, but not the second one apparently.
Oh. Okay. Also, um, the on-click return thing. That's actually a thing. Like, I think that's to mm, print it in the second page.
Okay, I'll just add the return. So go and post name.
No, it's fine. Actually, leave it for now. It's working.
Um, form on submit. Ah, right.
What's that?
ID go. That's the input. We're doing that on submit. We're returning. Okay, cool. So I think we need to place this board name on submit as well.
Oh yeah, yeah. We should do that.
Might, I don't know. Let's have a look. Okay, let's start this. Um, dot, HTML. I would just wanna check if it does the work.
Hmm.
Did you see go print it again or not?
Nothing.
So that forget that one then. Okay, how about if we do this instead? Just make this one work first
Yeah,
and
we can do that.
see if this approach does us any good.
Does the Go function have something useful in it?
Go function, what it always does is posts the board name from the input to the index.html and also takes the user to index.html page. So that's what's important about it.
Hmm. Yeah, we can try this if we get the console log.
Yeah, I'm just my VS Code is lagging a lot at the moment. Don't know why. Test one. Go. So only I might do one thing until hard refresh it properly.
Yeah, surely. Not even Go.
No, so it's not really calling that at all, apparently. This is getting interesting again and again.
Hmm.
Okay, go. Actually, what I'm gonna do, forget that one. I will bring this in.
And Go.
Actually, I will comment everything out, and I just want the post board name
Yep.
the function to actually be called.
That makes sense. We can do that.
Return board name.
We can remove the, yeah. Come on, there's no way in the world it won't work now.
You
Never
can't
mind.
be that confident, mate. With software, you
Never
shouldn't
mind.
be that confident. As in,
True.
anything can go wrong. Anything. Come on, keyboard.
I'm just wondering, did you write the spelling of console.log right?
If that's the reason, I'll just laugh at myself the entire night.
I'm just
Let's
wondering
see.
at this point.
Console.log. Yeah,
Okay,
that
that's
seems
fine.
to be good enough. I
Wait,
mean,
don't we need a semicolon after console.log?
it doesn't really matter, but I'll just put
Right.
it.
Well, okay, I didn't know that, but nice.
Um, can you possibly mute your other notifications because it
Yeah.
sounds really unprofessional
Hmm.
that
Did that.
all the background noise is coming up while we're talking.
All right. Let's see what we got.
If it doesn't come, if it comes, I don't know what to say, but let's check. Oh, it did come up, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's not staying
For a
because,
moment. Hmm.
yeah, we're moving to a new page.
Yeah, that might have been okay. So actually, hang on a minute. If we don't move to a new page,
So,
oh, right. So basically, what's happening is that on submit, we actually calling go,
yeah,
and if we don't call go, we call this one, and then we don't tell it to go to the index.html, which is here,
right.
then see what happens.
There's a way in which, from which, you can keep the comments logged. Sorry, console logs logged in the console, or you
Okay,
can pass.
do you know how to do that?
Yes and no. One second, I need to Google it. I've done it before.
Okay, home.html.
Come on, let's do it.
So it's
I just
still giving us go
just
there, I think.
at this point, just then just do alert instead of console or log.
Test, just a moment. I've just done a hard refresh, so I just want to see if that works.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Um, so this one, even
No,
though we're telling it not to go there, why is it still going there in the go method? We haven't even called the go method.
just do a control F for go parenthesis and see where it's been called.
No way.
in index as well.
No.
Can I take control now? And I'll
Yeah.
see what I can.
Cool.
All right. I'll go ahead and share my screen, and you help me set up as well.
Cool.
Is this the first time?
And I'll just give you the access to the terminal as well.
No, so I'll set up it on my VS Code. Like I'll clone the
Okay,
repo
cool. Alright, alright,
because it
cool.
kind of lags. So
Yeah,
it'll just
yeah,
be okay
okay.
that if we both keep pushing stuff.
Yeah, yeah, that makes sense though. True. Cool,
All right.
you do that. You can share your screens so we can fast track everything that you need
Yep.
to set up.
So you have to push what you did till now.
Oh, hang on a minute. That's a good point.
Alrighty.
How many changes have I got? Whoa, I've got many changes. But
Well,
just
that's good.
wanna insert the changes I've done. Hang on a
Yeah.
minute.
You do have a branch called middleware implementation. So
Okay, so I'll just switch to that branch instead.
yes.
Git switch
But
middleware
just to be
implementation.
sure, that branch is made for that only, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Middle. Can you tell me the spelling of it?
Yep. So
Cause
it's,
for some reason.
middleware
Uh-huh.
with a underscore and implementation.
Underscore or hyphen. Okay.
Underscore, not
Switch
a.
implementation.
Yes. IMPLE. Oh wait,
It's not coming up.
implementation. Someone messed up the spelling. Oh yeah. Wait, that's fine. IMPLEMENTATION.
And how's the? Hang on. I'll just check your screen.
Yeah.
Uh, middleware implementation. This is interesting. I'm not finding. Oh, okay, cool. Probably because I'm in the wrong folder, I would say.
Yeah. So you'll have to go to the root.
Git switch middleware implementation. Oh, it's not letting me. Hang on, git branch ls. How do you list the branches on Git?
You just
List
do
branches.
get
Git.
branch minus list.
Just look on Git branch. Git branch A. Branch
Okay. All right.
hyphen A.
Okay.
What? Apparently not.
Yeah, I'm pretty
Git
sure it's get branch.
branch. Yes. Oh, how to fetch a branch? I'll just do a git branch and see what it gives me.
It'll just tell you details about your branch, I guess.
It's not telling me anything, apparently. Wow,
Are you in the right
this is
folder?
endless
Are
loop.
you in the root directory?
Of the project, yes.
Did I share your screen? Alrighty.
This is what's this done.
What?
Messed up.
Just open terminal in Mac. Wow. Okay, that's cool. Just do git
Um,
branch
Git
minus a.
branch.
Git branch minus a.
No, that doesn't work either.
Do you have GitHub desktop?
No, don't. List branches in Git. Oh, how can it be this complicated? Come on, Zane.
Wait a minute. The repository is in Scrumble enhancement main, and your terminal says Scrambler enhancement main.
Yeah, that's the right one. How it works, don't wanna do. List all of the branches in your repository. This is synonymous with git branch list.
Can you do
Yeah,
a
that's
git status for me? Git status. Go up.
you know what?
What?
That repo isn't even there.
Yeah, because I think that's the thing. The actual repo is Scrambler enhancement, and you have a version called Scrambler enhancement main.
Probably that must have been the difference. Okay, how about if I um
Clone the repo and paste your code there. Yeah.
that's gonna be too long, but yeah, we'll have to do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be really quick with that. Uh,
It's all right. That's why we have 2 hour streams. No need to worry.
no, but the thing is, I don't want to take your time to code as well.
No, that's fine. Um,
Assembly enhancement core. Oh, why do I have master in
what?
workspace? That's
Sorry.
not right. That's not right. I've got workspace as in. I need to check. Hang on a minute. Give me 2 seconds.
Yeah.
ls
It's fine.
remove git rm dot git is a directory called rm rf dot git. Okay, cool. This should be it now. And if I remove this one as well, I want to start fresh.
Hmm. Fair enough. I'm kind of excited to code for some reason.
Is that why you eating that much?
Yes, I'm just like gaining some energy. I didn't eat the whole day. Like I was just like
Ah, I see.
I was sleeping
Right.
basically. That's why. So I'm
Nah,
hungry.
man, keep your timings on on schedule. As in,
That's
make
true.
sure you eat on time because your body you can only operate good enough if you, you give your body good enough food.
That's true. That's so true.
Um, File. I'm gonna just open up a new window.
Yeah.
Actually, I can do it in there and just copy and paste the code. Simple. How do I do this? File, new, add folder to workspace. Open workspace, open recent, open. Scrambler, here we go. Yeah, this is the one. So we need Scrambler, that one. Open that one up. Please don't open in the same one. I need them both.
Um,
Alright, fine. Hey?
Nothing. Yeah, that's the one, right? That's the one we want.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah,
we want
this
both
is the
of
one. We need to copy the code from the other one and paste in this one, but hang on. I'll do some changes from the finder itself. That will probably speed it up.
them.
Client, middleware, copy, enhancement, client. Yeah, in that one. Okay. No, no, not in that one. I want it to be in the client.
If you want, there's a way to list differences between two repositories.
I don't want that one at the moment. All we want is to update this repo with that one.
Okay.
Paste, call, and then dump this one. Call this one, and now what I want is all the code, to be over there.
I'm
So
just
I'm
wondering,
gonna,
are you in the middleware branch?
uh, I, I'm not caring about that at the moment. All I want is all the changes to be in
Okay.
this project first, and then I'll go and commit it to that branch afterwards.
Yeah. Fair enough.
Um, so I wanna open. Actually, I'm gonna save this first. I'm gonna quit this middleware. Oh, here we go. Cool. So I can use this one. New file. No, I don't need new file in this. Just want my code to come over there. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it over here as in manually.
Yeah, that's probably the only option left.
Yeah, cause it's quicker as well. Source.
Or you could just like copy the index file from there and just paste it, the whole index file.
Yes, but the thing is that I need to open that one as well. But it's not. It doesn't wanna
Or
open.
just replace them in Finder. That's it. Ooh, this is getting way.
Okay, I see. Huh?
No, no, just like go ahead.
Just
I'm
it
just
takes
wondering.
time, man, about these
Yeah, that's true.
things. What did I want to do? That one. Why does this keep on coming on? So go to my main and then home and my index.
Yes.
I need to copy and paste over that one.
Yeah.
Paste item, paste two items,
Replace.
replace both.
All right.
Cool.
All we want, and just push it up, and I'll get it.
Yes, that's what I'm gonna do now. In the middle implementation branch, come on, dude, I don't have all that hair. There
Hmm.
we go. So switch middleware implementation.
Hyphen. Underscore. No.
The local digital would be overwritten by the checkout index. Please commit your changes. Ah, right. You were right. I should have conveyed to that first, and then did it.
Well, um,
Hang on. I've got a really better idea. I will take these ones out for now.
yep.
Here we go.
Hmm.
And then what we can do is switch that one as well.
Yeah. Might want to delete it from there then.
hmm And now what I can do is, why did I do that? I can just undo all the changes here.
Yeah.
Discard changes, restore file, yes. Discard changes, restore file, cool. That's done, so no changes. Now I can switch back. Middleware set to up middleware. Switch from origin, switch to a new branch middle. What?
Can you do git branch minus a?
Middleware implementation.
You are at middleware implementation, aren't you?
Isn't it supposed to be that one? Ah, because this is a local one I'm thinking. That's why showing that.
Could be. Yeah.
Problem. Alright, I'll just switch to that one. As in, try and do
Yeah.
a commit
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
see where this takes us. Come on, terminal. Good boy. Okay, do all this. Include them now. Um, copy, paste, three items, re
Nice.
replace. Cool. Now what we need to do is refresh it. There we go. There's our changes. Cool. Here we go. There it comes to you. Only three changes. Yes, the three
Yay.
changes. Uh,
Just anything. Literally anything. Ooh,
Okay, here we go. You got the
right,
code now,
let's see.
and
Yep,
I'll stop my
13.
share. Then you
Yes,
can share now.
yeah, on it.
Alright. I'm gonna just go and get some water for myself.
Yeah, for sure. All right. I'll go ahead and on this branch. I don't usually use GitHub Desktop, but I'm configured with my school account on terminal, so I need to use GitHub Desktop for now.
Cool.
All right. I'm just telling people that how I don't use GitHub Desktop normally. Um, I'm just kind of configured to my school account on terminal. So
Ah, I see. Yeah, that makes sense though. Yeah, I used to use GitHub Desktop for my personal project, but since I convert to command line,
yeah,
it becomes a lot faster and
that's
efficient.
yeah. All right. How do I log out from this? Mm-hmm. Wait, how do I log out from this? Do you have any idea?
Um, why do you want to log out?
Because I wanna log into my other account.
Just use the web. What? It's easier.
Sorry,
Just use the web,
like as in
as in website of GitHub, not the GitHub desktop. Yeah, this one.
um. There's a reason why I can't do that, and it's really annoying.
Okay.
um, yeah, it doesn't. I'll tell you why. This is the reason. So if you go ahead and see, one second. What? Okay. Anyway, get back to that. Oopsies.
That's fine. You do what you have to do, man. So you wanna see how to log out,
Yeah,
from GitHub desktop. How to sign up from a GitHub version of a desktop. Alright, go to
got
your
it.
account as an
Yes, yes.
options account and it should be there.
Yep, got it.
Found it? Cool.
Yes. Radio. Right. Add clone repository. Right. What's the name?
Scrambler enhancement. Yeah, the first one.
mhm.
I think you should really download that item terminal.
Really? Is it helpful?
Mhm.
Is it helpful?
Is very helpful.
Right.
So it actually gives you different colors of different things.
Oh, right. Yeah, I'll look into it. Um, just to give me a head start, how do I run this?
Okay, so just you've already into client. Just do Python hy- hyphen m and then simple HTTP server.
The
Simple HTTP
oh,
server. All one word.
HTTP capital or small?
Small, I think.
Is that it?
So hang on, I'll just copy and paste it for you. It might be a lot easier.
That'll be better.
Oh, I can't. Hang on. Okay, there you go, and done.
See,
Yeah, and now go to your browser. Type in HTTP colon slash slash 00
yep,
port number, and then the home HTML.
right.
Yeah, there you go. You're up and running.
Thank you.
On call reference error. Okay, Jay, ignore the third one. We're just were actually you're not getting any of them. Actually, go back to your VS Code. Right. Go to the script.js. Oh,
Do I need to
you
install something?
we don't. I can't see the middleware file anywhere there. Uh, did I actually even
Okay.
include it? I did. Yeah. So why is it
Yes,
not appearing over there for? Go to go to
okay. I didn't change
client.
the. Never mind. That
You
was my fault. That's funny. Um,
so I think you didn't change the branch, is it?
yes. That was my bad. Okay. Let's do it again.
Perfect.
Come on, buddy.
Encore ref. Oh, so it's saying encore. There's an
No, that,
error on click.
there you go. Oh yeah, that's fine. Test. Let's try test. Post
Yeah,
name.
a
Post
post
name.
board name is not defined.
Home HTML
Go
30,
back in the code. Mm-hmm. Home
35.
HTML 35.
Let's see. Hmm. Okay.
Have you put? Just go up.
Sorry. Yeah.
Just go up a bit. Middleware.js is fine. I just wanted to check that. That's all.
Also, it's empty.
What?
Yeah.
That's weird. That is absolutely weird.
It's is it empty on GitHub? Yep, empty on GitHub as well. It's fine. Just paste me the code. That's all.
Thing is, have I got the code still?
No, no.
I have it, I
Ooh,
have it. That was really close. Just gonna open it up and see. Okay, here we go. I'll just paste the code there. Alright, for you, and you can get from. Huh?
where are you pasting it to me?
I'll just paste it in the chat. It's quicker.
Okay.
Where did my StreamYard go now? Yeah, here we go. Here we go, I think. That should be it. Or not.
We'll see.
Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna open it and then commit it, and then you can just get the latest.
Yeah.
That's probably a good way. Card for middleware. Okay, it should be with you any second.
All right. Let's see what we got here. Got it. Mm,
Excuse me.
good. Let's do some pulling. Okay. I'll go ahead and do an alert. Yeah. Weird.
Hmm?
No, just seeing.
What does it do?
If I do home.html here, it gives me test one.
Hard refresh it.
Still weird.
Did you hard refresh it?
You want me to close it, right, and open a new one?
No. Press uh Command Shift R.
Come on. Okay.
Now try it.
Oh, I didn't know that. Doesn't know.
No? Right. Just check if it's calling that.
Putting what?
If it's calling that function. That's all.
Yeah.
That's the only thing we care about at the moment. But you might wanna do your consoles. No, sorry. You've already done an alert.
Yeah. And also, that's weird. That's not right.
What does it do?
Open test for some reason. And I don't know where it's getting the test from anywhere. Oh, wait, it's probably the previous one. So I'll just go ahead and clear the cache.
Hmm.
Bear with me for a second. Oopsie. Even open.
There we go. So it does come up now in that function.
Yes,
Um,
it's not
how
going.
about
Yeah,
yeah? How about if you uncomment?
on it.
Actually, hang on a minute. We don't need the data at all, as in underscore data. So you can comment that out. Just contact the API and see if it does anything.
Yes. Why keep opening message?
Ah, now we're talking.
Course
So
policy.
access yeah, so we probably have to allow access to the cause fetch request.
I kind of saw a code snippet in which you give a course policy, so that's not hard.
uh I don't think that was working though, so we might just have to ignore that code.
What was working? Sorry.
That code wasn't working because that was the initial problem that a team member was facing, that he wasn't able to solve the cause error.
I don't. Are we talking about the same thing?
Yes, so the cause error was the initial problem that
Yeah.
came to me.
All right.
Okay, so this isn't my task, but I, I'm just
We could-
helping a team member
yeah.
solve his problem.
Can you give it a try though?
Of course, of course.
Yeah.
Oh, if you wanna do mode cause
Yeah. This,
and
but that's not for a fetch. Okay. So include the following in the headers.
access control. Yeah, we might want to do this as well.
Which one should we do? One second.
Includes and
This one's. Um, Sorry, I kind of just like I know it's weird, but sorry.
I can tell you your scanning and reading ability is a lot, as in way faster than mine, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, I just
Like,
like kind of go through what we need. Like, if like this thing kind of like looks like what we did, so um, uni makes you do that. You have to go through like a lot of papers and stuff.
mm-hmm. Right,
So
right, I see.
we can just separate it with a comma. Um,
But
just
that's
looking at
Python though.
yeah, but
Oh,
still,
so another thing that we might have to apply, do the enabling of the cores in the API itself. So I'm
you might have
gonna
to do
try
it.
and do that here. Open a new tab. There's one more thing that I keep getting myself confused with as well.
Yeah,
Is how we name the project a bit differently in everything, as in, for example, our local repo has a different name, our remote one kind of has a different name, and then the cloud
yeah,
formation stack has a different one. So
yeah.
that really, as in, kind of
That's true. It's kind of confusing. We
confusing
should come
me.
up with a name soon.
Yeah, as in consistently.
Yeah. Um, I have given access on the middleware. So if you enable it, it should do the trick.
Yeah, I'm just, hang on, enable pause on API gateway. Choose the resources. Okay. Choose from the API drop down method. Any enable cause. Okay, do the following. In the confirm method, choose yes override existing. Okay. Default. Yeah. Enable cause and replace. I think I'm almost there, but I'll tell you as soon as I've done it.
Yeah, all good. This is a really good answer.
Hmm?
There's one answer which is like really good. Like this is literally what we need to solve this, and it's like
Oh,
1280 upvotes. So this guy did the same thing. He did the fetch,
mm-hmm,
pretty much the same stuff. Then he did response and stuff like that.
mm-hmm.
Um, and he got the same error, as in
Right, right.
like. So yeah, we pretty much are doing the right thing.
Okay, yeah, that's good to hear. Just getting few errors in enabling calls.
Yeah, that's
Just
fine.
bear with me for a minute, and I'd have to sort these errors out first. Advanced, no. Yes, add. Right. I'm missing add in options method. Okay, and add to options. Okay, so I need to add them in options method as well. Integration, mock endpoint, method response, add a response, options, method options. Unselected methods will not remove the course headers. Course header must be removed manually. How to remove API. Add access loader to options method. Okay, I need this thing, so I'm gonna
Yep.
do screenshot it and then work from that. Okay, add access to the options method. That's the options method. And then what I need to do is add method request headers. Is that the one? Add header. Yeah, probably. This must be the one. Required access control allow headers. Okay, and the second would be our methods. I'm just doing some.
Yep.
I'm just adding the headers in API gateway manually
Yeah,
because
easy.
that's what was causing the problems. Method, yeah, enter headers x control allow methods origin method response and my header name allow control allow origin method response headers origin core control allow origin. Okay, and then add allow methods integration. Okay, cool. So this is done in the method response header, and now I need to go to the integration response.
Yep.
My bad. I entered it in the wrong one.
That's fine.
Right. Um, HTTP status method response headers. What should be the response headers code be?
Um, you want to share your
And
screen?
yes.
I'll just add your screen to the screen. So
Yeah, cool. Do
cool.
that.
Done. Cool. What do we have here?
Because I've already enabled okay, I'll start over again. I've already enabled so when I was enabling the calls in API gateway,
Yep.
it said this which is fine. I'll enable the calls and then it's saying that this one. I need to add all these in this method response headers and then all these in the integration response header mapping. All right.
Wait, can't we add all like together?
What do you mean? Can we add all to the header?
Yeah, because we are pushing like we are enabling all.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, I'm kind of not sure. Wait, can I go ahead and Google it?
All right. Cool.
I'm sending you a tiny URL.
Alright.
You can go ahead and click it. I'm pretty sure. Can you not?
Ah,
You can go ahead and click it. The link I sent you.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Enable calls
Oh,
one.
in private chat you can, right?
Yeah, but no, in the comments you can't.
Right. But I'm able to copy the comments. I'm not sure. Oh wait, yeah, I can't.
Actually, yeah, I've done that. So you're using enable calls in that one, enable calls, yeah. Important when applying to any when applying to any measure will not be set. Instead, your backend must return the applicable calls header such as yeah, that's what I was getting set to because I did this exact thing which is sent me just now.
Mm-hmm.
So I went here. Where's it got? API gateway. Okay,
Yep.
when when here enable calls. This is this is what we get. All right,
Yep.
and can you possibly mute the
Yep. Sorry.
notifications, please?
Yep. I can do that. Sorry about that.
That's all right. And then I do replace. So the error is that we need these headers in the options method as well, unless I just delete the options method.
What's the option method for?
To be honest, I don't know.
Let's Google that.
Uh, is the options method? The option method represents the request for information about the communication options available on the request chain identified by the request URI. If the request URI is in static, the option method request
We do need the
is in
options method for sure.
yeah, yeah.
That's only way we can get it.
hmm
So what's the problem? Why can't we enable it in options method?
We can enable it, but we need this. Hang on, I'll tell you what we need.
Hmm?
We need to add those headers here as well, but there has to have a code. Hang on, I'll just give you a random code probably.
Let's do 200, I guess.
HTTP status add response. Ah, hang on a minute. Something came up with this. Yeah, this was the one I was looking for. Re response headers.
Yep.
So if I go back to this
But that can't be that hard.
to this one, I need you. Where's my
Can I Google the error? What is the error?
it's not really the error, it's saying that it
Yep.
needs these things.
Okay.
It needs these access control header method and origin. In this method response headers, which is this one, to options method, which is the option method here.
Can you copy and paste this in the private chat, the error? Or
Okay,
you
I
don't have
can.
it? That's fine. It's fine if you can't for now.
I'll just do it. Because it might.
Wow.
Ah, right.
But
So
wait,
all we
one.
Hey.
You just added one. Wait. Can you still copy and paste this to me? All right, got it.
Okay, so now that that's done, I'll enable cores again.
Yep.
Come on, enable cores. Yes, yes, perfect.
Then
Yeah.
you need to go on the 200 which we added
Uh-huh.
and add three options, which are access control, allow headers, methods, and
Yes, that's the exact thing I told you, remember? That
yeah, right.
we need
So
to add
yeah,
headers, methods, and that one to that one back there. So I probably have to go back and check it. But it's good you confirmed it because I was in the doubt as soon as it was working,
yeah.
which is always good to confirm these kind of things.
No,
Oh,
it's already there.
they've already been added. So we have to add them here as well though, because it
The,
says that in the no, in the integration response header.
um,
So I will
can you go
integrate.
ahead with Zen 1 second? Can you go back to that page? Just one
Uh-huh.
more.
Yeah.
Go to method response in options. You're in any method right now. Yeah, method response. Yep.
Uh-huh.
The content type as well.
I
Application slash what
think
did we
it's
have?
already there, is it?
Hmm.
Yeah, application slash JSON was right.
Oh yeah. That's what we want. We probably go ahead have to and we have to add it.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Invalid power
you have to type
response.
it. You have to type it.
Ah. I thought I go a bit double-minded because
Yeah.
it was grayed out. Application. Yeah, okay, that's
You
the
leave the model empty.
response in
Leave
the
it empty.
model invalid application contact type response. Why is it
Um,
saying that?
model.
Invalid model identifier null. Ah, okay, probably what we need to do is add the model first.
Really, I thought we keep the model empty.
It says that we don't have the model. Invalid, I need to Google this error.
Hmm. I mean, model is kind of just a JSON schema, which we need, but still.
Yeah, but we can't really continue with the content type
Hmm.
unless we have the model, I would say.
Yeah, that's right. What's the error? Is it invalid?
I think it says invalid model identifier. Getting started. Um, not an issue because supposed to with the following exceptions. That your model is not really compatible. Try removing additional properties or an example from the model and see if that helps. Properties follows no. Failed to consider model identifying valid.
Damn, nice. I'm pretty sure everyone has kept model empty. Wait, can you create an empty model? Just like name it empty and like just
Empty content type application
um
person.
schema for
It
um
says it's required.
yeah. Just one
Models
second.
model identifier model schema API gateway.
Okay.
Building one.
Look at this link. This looks promising. Hmm.
Rise show description resolution model schema to create model. This example uses write a model schema and write a model user ID, name the request body, associate the model to the method. Right. Shall we continue this tomorrow?
Hmm.
Cause my
Yeah,
eyes is already 5 past. So did you do any more changes
I did a small
to the
change.
code?
I'll go ahead and
All
push
right.
it. It's just like a small
Yeah,
change.
yeah. Just push it in that branch,
Hmm.
and we can probably take it from there.
Yeah, for sure. Cool. See you
Just
tomorrow,
stop
guys.
share.
All right. Yeah, we'll continue from tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I think overall I was happy with the progress
Hmm.
today. It was a it was a good one.
Yeah.
You can probably have food calmly now, as in
Yeah.
fairly in a happy mood.
Mm.
All right, mate.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, guys, for showing up, and thanks, Karthik, for your hard work as well.
Yep.
Um, so we'll continue this from tomorrow, and I'll see you then.
Yeah. Cool. See you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Catch you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.